Yes, Iyah. Yeah, man. Good morning, YouTubers and the voice of Bedmiller. Yes, Iyah. Why? Thank you, Jesus. Yeah, man, finally get it, brother. Yes, because it's anything I want in life, as long as Jesus sees fit it, Especially for the business, I always get it, Yeah, man. So thank you, Jesus. Yeah, before I start talk, I'm going to take it out of the box. Yeah, man, it's 23. No, not 23. Yeah, man, 23. This is the 24 Ultra. This is the 24 Ultra. Yeah, man, I upgrade from the 23. Because I've been working, you see, from last year until now, was the 23 Ultra. But I go continue to work on the 23 Ultra still, But I just upgrade now to the 24 Ultra. Yeah, man, I'm going to take it out of the box. Yeah, man. I'm going to just take it out of the box now. Yeah. I'll take it out of the box. Pretty. I say not even money now. I say not even money now, pretty, so brother. Pretty like a money. You know, see it. Yeah. Yeah, man. This a color of the titanium yellow. Yeah, man. It have a goldish look. Yeah, man. It have a goldish look. You see, more come closer. I see me can come closer. So they can, although you have to really, yeah, man, you have to really see it in person still enough. See what I deal with still enough. Yeah, man. Pretty, man. I tell you, man, I want the prettiest phone. It says me a beat phone, Samsung phone them. It says me a beat Samsung phone them. I want the prettiest phone now. Yeah, man. The titanium yellow have a goldish color because I want to edge them. Yeah, man. Have a goldish color, brother. Yes, Iyah. So I finally get my dream phone. A long time I want a goldish color phone, For ever since me a beat Samsung phone, because I want almost, because it's strictly Samsung phone me use, The reason why I use Samsung phones because they're compatible with my camera, with my Nikon camera. Yeah, man, the Android system. Yeah, man. So that's why I always use the Samsung. I'm going to tell the people the Samsung phone, see it, a good phone. See it, in some aspect, better than the iPhone them. Yeah, man. Good phone them, man. Yeah, man. The more users friendly than the iPhone them. That's why I always use them, brother. I mean, I stop upgrade. As long as them come out and them, yeah, man, I need for upgrade, upgrade. So I say, big up yourself. Big up yourself. Big up yourself, CJ. CJ Virgin from Bounty. Because I post something about cartel. See, with the when they take a screenshot of picture, when I screenshot a picture with cartel interview with Anthony Miller. See, with the Ultra phone. I don't know if I mean 23 Ultra cartel will have a 24 Ultra. See it. Cartel will have. But I know it's an Ultra phone that. I post it and CJ see the post and CJ and link me and say, boy, Mr. Bed me have a 24 Ultra, Yeah, man, the rest is history. Because Sunday I buy it for him, and Sunday I take it off for him because I want it for the business. Because I want a phone for him to see it. So I have a 23 Ultra now and a 24 Ultra. Man, if you kind of keep the quality. Because I know it's a YouTube thing there right, So I have to invest and make things and push out. So big up yourself, General CJ, and enough thanks. Yeah, man, because you just make me thing come true right. Because yes, as I say, because you see me now, as I say, we start out with the Samsung S4. We own two S5, we own the S6, we own the S7, Me want the S8 Plus. You see it. Me buy two S10 Plus from something there. From CJ. Yeah. Yeah man. You see it one Prism white. You see it. I want flamingo pink. Yeah man. But most of my phone I buy them from Amid, you know. Up House of Electronics, you know. Just, yeah man, so big up tree now. Because they may buy a House of Electronics, may buy me something there, me something there. The 22 Ultra. And me trade it in and get the 23 Ultra. You know see it. Yeah man. So big up the House of Electronics crew. Yeah man. I remember most of my phone them along with CJ. Yeah man. So what me I say? I tell a man to the phone pretty brother. You know see it. As I say, I don't get too carried away still because I used to them phone now because I say they may have beat from ever since with the business. So as I say, I must take off. Yeah man, I got us. Yeah man. Yeah man. See it here. Yeah man, your phone pretty. Me just put a picture of that pretty girl pan, you know. The picture you see on someone go pretty sister about the place, you know. Yeah man, one pretty girl I know say they have looks of a muggle. Because I me roll more time, you know. So most of the picture me put all on my home saver and most of the picture me take with the beautiful girls in about the place. Yeah man, no strings not attaching, no strings not attaching. You just take a picture, you see a girl look good, you just take a picture and put it on your screen. Yeah man, your phone screen saver. Because it's all about beauty. Because I like pretty things. Because God no make ugly. And devil create ugliness. God, everything, me love pretty things. You see it? I saw me flex, I saw me roll. I mean always a future pretty girls on my phone screen. I mean the business nobody wants to say. It's all about beauty. As what I say, yeah man. Yes, Iyah. Let me finally get it. Get me dream phone. Me 24 Ultra. I don't know if I go upgrading again, because I don't need my phone again. You know? The 23 and the 24 Ultra. Boy, I tell you start. Yeah man. Yeah man, I say this a phone. It's a phone pretty like a money. I know if you know, yeah man, the pretty brother, I tell you man, the gold. As I say, I'm so excited. Yeah man, what I say still. Yeah man, I don't stop upgrade. I don't stop to Samsung Galaxy. Yeah man. So let's go and watch the market still. I want to buy an iPhone still. I'm buy iPhone one day still now. Yeah man, we test the iPhone system. The iPhone system. But for now, strictly Samsung Ultra phones them now. Yeah man, because Samsung and build on Note again and the Ultra have everything. This a phone have everything in it. Compact, everything in it. Yeah man, it'll have S Pen and so forth. Everything is a phone. It's a phone complete. That's why hit me a beat. So, big up yourself, CJ, respect. Yeah man, you come calling when they need the thing, and as I say, anything I want, my Father Jesus always give me. So when I say I'm out now, I got a beach now, no more Linkirky, Walla Parish, got a beach, in a seat, and prepare for God's funeral later. Yeah man. Yeah man. Mama Ville funeral, Miss Ville. But the lady there, a high kind of a lady in a Falmatiana, brother. I can't street for them off of Miss Ville, brother. Because lady a great woman, them lady there, man. You see it. And motherfucker, more stop us now. Me not really, as what I say, this is all about the phone. This is all about the phone. But I say, Miss Ville, may your soul rest in peace, and condolence to the family as usual. Yeah man, Miss Ville funeral, I'm going to look more. A live stream. Yeah, man. So, I say, me say, big up for my people, them, because of, yeah, man. So, I'm out now. Yes, Iyah. Yeah.